As most of you know, Windows 8 was released today, so I seized the opportunity to pre-order it from Newegg for $60 and had it overnight for an additional $20. So I spent roughly $80 on Windows 8, which is significantly less than what I typically paid for any Windows 7 installation. I have it set up right now. Whenever I turn off the ignition, it goes straight into hibernation mode, and as you can tell, within the first like 10 to 15 seconds, poof, there you are. Car's already communicating with dash command here, which I set up an extended desktop, and the multiple monitors. Windows 8 is the heat. It works. It's flawless. You can set up your cornering and everything. It's just wonderful. Back over to the main screen. I can go into, say, my music videos, for instance. I don't know what this magic mic stuff's all about, but here we go. I put a small collection. I haven't put all my stuff on here, but you jam out whatever you want. Little Mac Miller. Only thing I don't really like about the media player so far is there's not a volume control, or you can't skip between videos. So hopefully I can find another app that'll do that for me. Go back to my start menu. You have Internet Explorer. You can go into your maps. Right there, for instance, this is Wichita Falls, where I live. I'm pretty sure that once I get my GPS receiver hooked up, this will come in quite useful. And also, it helps if you have like a 4G or 4G LTE network. That will speed up the process. From what I've observed, Windows 8 is pretty reliant on internet functioning. So right now I only have a 3G. Here's weather, for instance, showing what the weather. Again, this is a little weather app. I haven't really gotten into what the other apps cost, or all the free apps and everything, but this is all pretty useful, and I'm thinking I can just do away with Centrifuge and Roadrunner, run my music files, my maps. This thing even has Skype on it, so if you have a webcam in your dash like I do, you can Skype while you're driving, which I don't know if that's safe or not, but pretty interesting. One thing that I've also noticed is when you go back in your desktop mode, they've done away with your typical start menu icon, and you have an on-screen keyboard, which is huge. It doesn't float around. All you do is just hit the keyboard button and it pops up and down, and there you go. Unlike the floating keyboard that they had on Windows 7, not really touchscreen friendly. But from what I've seen with Windows 8, I mean, it works perfect with my touchscreen. I love it. Can't wait to actually get down and dirty with the software, because I know that there's a lot of useful things that it can do that I'm not aware of yet. So I will keep everybody posted, and I also plan on adding a third screen in my overhead here so that I can do my GPS and other software that I want to put on there. Back over to my gauges. I use a mouse to navigate this so I don't have to reach, but basic dash command, data logging. You can switch your dashboards. I haven't installed any of my other skins yet, so I got the typical Palmer Performance dashboard here. It shows all your regular stuff, but you guys have seen this before with my other videos, so I'm not going to go too far in depth with this. I do like Windows 8 so far, and I plan on leaving a pretty good review about it once I figure out how to work everything. Thank you guys for watching.